Hi, my name is Chanel Smalls. Um, the three personal assets that I bring to the class, I think, is my personality. Um, I get along with I get along well with others, and I'm always open to suggestions. I take criticism well. That means anything, and um, I think that is an asset that works with learning about social work, because it helps me to be able to gain better ideas of how I can better assist the population, any population that I may serve, um, and how I can fix things within me that I may need to better in areas I may need to better myself in. Another asset, I'm an active listener. I am someone that most times, and family and friends have done it, and that was another reason why I got into social work. They can, I'm a easy person to talk to, a shoulder to lean on, and you know how that will help me as a generous social worker is, um, the clients that we would come in contact with, sometimes they just need a listening ear, someone to vent to, somebody just to hear their story or their side. And I think I'm good. I'm an active listener as well. Um, what else? I'm empathetic to other people's needs. Um, I take myself out of any equation and put that person first, because it's not always all about me, and that's something I've learned to do over the years, which I think I've always been like that. So, and that helps working with your clients as well, because you get to you have to remove yourself out of the situation and understand where they're coming from. So I hope these are three assets that um, that can help during the class, and I look forward to meeting everyone. Thank you.